Make me a smoothie, darling.
Yeah, okay. Oh, but it always takes so long. Right, here we go. Right, how to make an ideal smoothie. Okay, alright. Plant protein. Branch chain amino acids, digestive enzymes, Supergreens, MCT. Well, that's good fat. That's going to be good. For her, adaptogens, medicinal mushrooms. Always has to be about medicinal mushrooms. Magnesium, that'll help her hormones. Vitamin D, not much sunlight. Vitamin B12, vitamin C, fibre, and sea salt. Dharma, there's so much to do.
What's taking you so long?
Well, just getting all. Where am I going to get all these ingredients from? Oh, it's going to take me ages to make this smoothie.
Geez, don't you know about All You Need Superfoods?
Oh! All You Need Superfoods? Hold on, this has got all the ingredients that I need for this amazing smoothie.
Yes, and it's delicious too.
Alright. Cup of water. 1 banana. And just 2 tablespoons is going to give me those 13 different ingredients. I better blend it for her. Oh. Well, that was quick and easy. Right, let's. Oh, that smells amazing. Let's see if she likes it. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. And it really is all you need.